Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH, which is the local digital currency in view of the stage. With decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain world. They highlight savvy contract usefulness as well as proposition a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchanges and exchanging with go-betweens involved. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a high-level blockchain project and generally famous among digital money fans primarily because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to itemized Ethereum cost expectation today. The mystery uncoded. Technology behind Ethereum. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital currency, the whole peculiarity and crucial focal point of this cryptographic money is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, and items, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. As made sense of over, the Ethereum convention empowers engineers to form and work on shrewd agreements, naturally executing tasks under unambiguous circumstances. In the wake of going through the different transformative phases and development procedures, the stage has stayed with its arrangement and items to reliably update the convention to guarantee further develop ease of use, security, usefulness, and decentralization. Ethereum, the empirical rise. What makes Ethereum cryptographic money a sought-after prize is its expectation in light of major viewpoints. Here cash speed approaches the cost remainder. All amounts are characterized in government-issued money units, setting P equals 1 and M is determined by the quantity of digital currencies duplicated by the cost of single crypto, Q is how much worth being moved across the organization, and V's examination continues as before. Subsequently this capability chips away at the vitally base system that digital money is conversely corresponding to its speed. The Ethereum framework. Right now, most undertakings depend on Ethereum as a public blockchain, which awards admittance to a bigger crowd of clients, money, hubs, and markets. Nonetheless, there are many times motivations to favor a consortium or private blockchain. For instance, organizations in the financial area are viewing at Ethereum as a stage for their private blockchains. Indeed, even Ethereum has been used for some underlying coin offering occasions. Public blockchains, these are completely decentralized and gotten utilizing proof of work or proof of stake calculations, following a typical rule that how much somebody can impact the agreement cycle is relative to the quantity of financial assets they can bring to bear. Consortium blockchains. These are to some extent decentralized where a bunch of hubs controls the interaction. For instance, one could envision a consortium of 15 monetary foundations, every one of which works a hub and of which 10 should sign each block for the block to be legitimate. Private blockchains. A private blockchain is concentrated to one association for composing consents. Peruse consents might be public or confined to an erratic degree. Logical applications incorporate data set administration, reviewing, and so forth, inside to a solitary organization. So broad comprehensibility may not be important generally speaking, however open auditability is wanted in different cases. All above add to the general Ether biological system by putting resources into Ethereum programming advancement. Over the long haul, this converts into programming enhancements, shared information, and open positions. Ethereum technical and fundamental analysis. The whole digital currency market experiences unpredictability in an unpredicted way, that pursues the speculation choice in altcoins really testing. Notwithstanding, according to our gauges and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. According to the Ethereum cost estimates, the ETH cost displayed an excellent execution last year and enlisted an untouched high of $4,891.70 in November 2021. Afterward, ETH cryptographic money confronted colossal negative strain in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 end. Due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the costs have seen a lofty fall, and according to estimates, the fall might go on for quite a while. In spite of the underlying cost fall, ETH/USD is by all accounts finishing this year certainly as a major bull dashing to support its situation in the speculation market. Starting from the start of this current year, ETH has stamped monstrous unpredictability and, surprisingly, in the continuous month. Throughout recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,500 and $1,200. At present, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,905.69, and in view of the last week's exhibition, keeping on growing is normal. Ethereum price predictions. Somewhat recently, Ethereum's cost has brought financial backers huge returns before the beginning of another year. According to Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly extraordinary resource for venture contrasted with Bitcoin and for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Ethereum price prediction 2022. The fresh insight about European Investment Bank's $121 million computerized bond with the Ethereum network assisted Ethereum's cost with developing dramatically. As of late, ETH confronted a sharp downfall in the wake of hitting an untouched high at $4,891.70, however later, it recaptured the lost energy and crossed the $3,000 cost mark. Notwithstanding, since May, the whole crypto market has been confronting a negative feeling, prompting a huge drop in cost for every one of the resources. According to the ongoing cost force, Ethereum could cross $2,374 toward the finish of 2022. Having seen a huge deappreciation that drove the value activity of ETH crypto. Likewise, an update called ETH 2.0 is good to go to send off, which is a further expansion of ETH. According to our gauges, this will push the organization's adaptability to 1,000,000 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain from energy-concentrated POW to POS. The Ethereum network is really famous, with various activities based on it. ETH crypto price prediction for August 2022. According to the expectations, the base, most extreme, and normal costs for the long stretch of August are supposed to be around $1,850, $1,950, and